have 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything that I can find and he doesn't know that I order. So today we are doing a We Craft box. I got this for us to do some crafts with our children because we have 2 children. One's almost 3 and one's almost 4. They're really close in age and both toddlers. And try and keep them occupied. It's best to give them lots of activities or else they start being a little bit destructive. And also we will be doing the Gadget Tech box, and you can get that from Cratejoy. Now this one I got on sale and I just did it as a one-off. It's not one I'll do all the time. I kind of want to test out different things and see what we like the best before we commit to getting it every month. So I usually get 1 month, get it in, cancel it, and then if I like it, I'll go renew again. And same thing with his. We did it for 2 months for the tech one. Only because this is the first one we've gotten and we've already been charged for it twice. So, I mean, we were gonna get it all the time because he likes, you know, a lot of techie stuff. So we wanted to test it out for him, but I mean, it was taking so long. Like we ordered this one, I don't know, 2 months ago, maybe longer, and we just got it in. So we're gonna test it out. We got another one on the way apparently, so that one should be here in a couple weeks. And I mean, if he ends up liking them, then I will continue them. In place of that one, I did order the man box, which is off Cratejoy as well. So keep watching for that video because that is on its way too. We have lots coming. And we're gonna dive into this one right now. So this one is obviously a monthly subscription if you choose that. And it is normally $39.99 a month. But I got it when it was on sale. Because I'll tell you, I don't like to pay full price for anything if I don't have to. So we're going to dive into this one. And then, I mean, we might upload some like shorts of the kids trying to do these crafts. Because our kids are hilarious. But we're kind of biased. So this is what it looks like. It gives you detailed instructions on how to do everything. So there's glasses that you can make for the kids and decorate little bracelets, cards, little owl cutouts, and little bird houses. So those are the things that they're gonna include all the stuff to make it. So right off the bat, here's the bags for the owls and a whole bunch of foam pieces. Oh, it's going everywhere. So that you can decorate all this stuff however you want. So we got foam pieces on foam pieces. We got all this beads and stuff for the bracelets. We got more foam pieces for the other one. And then the little glasses for the kids, which are going to be super cute on my kids. And I'm going to take lots of pictures, and then everyone on my Facebook is going to be telling me that they're seeing my kids. It also comes with oil pastels. Not quite sure what this one's for. What do you think this is for? I gotta look at the instructions to know what everything's for. Oh, this is for coloring the birdhouses, which I haven't even got to yet. So it does come with a set of 12, so that's pretty good. And more foam pieces. I'm kind of glad that we opened this box without the kids. Because, I mean, unless they can play with it right away, this would like be literally everywhere. Okay, so this is Wiki Sticks, Shape, Stick, and Play. It's for the owl. I'm not really sure why, but that's part of this. So here's all the cutouts for the birdhouses. And it's like a really sturdy cardboard. And more cutouts, probably for the same thing, I would think. And then, construction paper, because What's On Craft does not include construction paper. So we got construction paper, we got foam pieces, we got pipe cleaners and glasses. And I think the kids will really enjoy some of these crafts, and it might help me keep my sanity one day. Who knows? So we're gonna test this out with the kids, probably on the weekend. It is the weekend, so maybe tomorrow. And we will probably upload some footage of them doing this stuff, and we'll add it as like maybe just a little short video of them playing with it, or not really sure. It depends how well they're doing, right? I mean, even if they're not doing well, it's kind of funny to watch. But that's it for this box. So, I mean, ultimately, if you are creative enough to think of all this stuff on your own and you want to go to Walmart or any craft store, Hobby Lobby, whatever, I mean, you can definitely do it cheaper than this. But it's the convenience of someone else figuring out what to put in the box and you not having to run to the store with toddlers screaming, which is a bonus. So that is the CRAFTBOX. And next we're going to go to him, and he's going to tell you about the Gadget Tech box.
Okay. Hey everyone, Matt here. Thanks for joining us. Just going to take this out here from the box. Looks like there's an item fallen out here. It's in the little pouch. Just have it open here and check it out. See what's inside. Get into it. Right. Need some plastic wrap there. Alright. That's cool. Looks like it's a little monocular. Okay. Checking stuff out from far away. It's kind of cool. So that's item number 1 in the box.
Now, how much is one of those retail for generally?
$15 maybe?
Okay. Because this box is $49.95 plus shipping. So I think the shipping, because we're in Canada, is around $25. So this box is pretty pricey. So you always want to make sure when you're doing subscription boxes that you're going to get your money's worth out of it. I like to at least double my money's worth. So if something's worth $50, I want to at least get $100 worth.
Alright, and here is item number 2, which is like a little mini gameplay thing. Kind of interesting.
So $5?
Yeah, maybe even less.
That's disappointing.
Oh, let's see. I'll have to play it later. Alright, that down now. And then in there is one other item which comes in like a black case. Which the case seems pretty decent. It's got a zipper here, so I'm just gonna open that up, have a look at what's inside. Alright.
You open it upside down.
Yeah, of course. Looks like there's a remote control. It's a little bit kind of cheaply made plastic, it feels like, in terms of the remote control itself. It looks like it's a mini drone, a Drone Pro 2. I'll try to show the first here. Let me just open it up here. I think these should open up. Hopefully don't break it here. Kind of see how it'll look there.
Looks like a creepy spider.
Yeah, it's kind of like it. Alright. So I'll have to check this out and see how it flies and stuff. It says it's so it is collapsible, as you've kind of seen there as well. It does come with a little bit of an instruction manual and stuff. By the looks of it and the feel for the remote, doesn't come with any batteries, so I can't really test it out here and fly around. So we'll have to grab some batteries here for it. Looks like it's some AA's that it takes. So we'll have to check that out separately and just see how it flies. and stuff. There's no real advanced features, it doesn't look like. There's no camera or nothing like that. It's really just for flying around and probably break after a few times. But it's kind of neat. I'd say it's probably worth maybe
Isn't that a camera there?
$10.
That looks like a camera.
And it looks like one, but
There's instructions.
let's check it out and see.
User manual. Well, everything's in Chinese.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there is a couple cameras actually.
Ah,
It's interesting.
so more than $10.
Yeah, maybe.
Because you really want, like, I mean, if this is 15 and that's 5, we're only up to $20. So you want. I mean, sometimes you get this with these subscription boxes where they gotta make money somehow too, right? So they're not all gonna be like fantastic. Like you might get the odd month where it's kind of like I mean, I get that with similar boxy charms sometimes, or Ipsy. Sometimes you get something in it that you're not gonna use, and I mean, you can't please everybody. So, I mean, we do have one more coming. So hopefully that one's really good and makes up for, I mean, this one's alright. I mean, it's not a box of rocks. So, I mean, they did send something. So.
Yeah, it's decent. I would probably say maybe an hour's worth of, fun time playing it, reading the instructions, checking it out, kind of Googling it and stuff, trying to see how to work.
Yeah.
So.
Our son will probably really like watching him play with it.
Absolutely.
As, I mean,
For sure.
a little boy doesn't like things flying around.
Yeah, and big boys too.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.
Hit the notification bell so you can get any upcoming videos that we're putting up. Tomorrow we will be doing some boxes with our children that we got off Etsy. So stay tuned for that. We are going to be changing locations up to my daughter's room. So it's going to be bright and pink and everything girly, but it is a way to contain the children while we do it. And yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you guys are thinking about the content so far. And if there is any suggestions for other boxes that you'd like for us to see open, then, leave it in the comments and I will try my hardest to get my hands on it. All right, bye guys.
Bye guys. Thanks, everyone.